Hi, welcome. I'm so excited you're here. Let's have a laugh because we've got the top 5 news items delivered with the kind of unfiltered truth you won't find anywhere else. Unless you're listening to my Uncle Chuck after 3 beers. We're going to start off with some slop. I know, it's an acquired taste. It's an acquired taste. Well, I guess that something happened with Japan, a moon landing there. It didn't happen, actually. Oh, and speaking of outer space, AI reveals Milky Way's black hole is spinning faster than my ex's excuses. Astronomers, those intrepid stargazers who probably still use abacuses, have teamed up with AI to peer into the heart of our galaxy. And guess what? Our very own supermassive black hole Sagittarius A asterisk, yes, that's true, an asterisk is in the name. It's spinning near its top speed. Now, I'm not saying it's trying to impress anyone, but that's one hell of a spin cycle, using over 12 million simulations powered by high-throughput computing, which sounds something like a teenager says when they're playing video games all night. AI crunched the numbers and basically said, yep, that black hole is practically breakdancing. This isn't just a cosmic gospel. It's helping scientists understand how these colossal devourers of light and matter actually grow. So next time you feel like you're in a black hole of paperwork, just remember, at least yours isn't spinning at 90% the speed of light. And listen, if you thought solving Rubik's Cube was hard, try folding a protein. It's like trying to get a fitted sheet back into its original packaging, but with more amino acids and way more existential dread. But fear not, the eggheads at Kipu Quantum and IonQ have unleashed a 36-qubit trapped ion quantum computer. They're using a fancy new algorithm called BF-DCQO, which sounds like a new dating app for introverts. And they've successfully folded proteins up to 12 amino acids long. This is a big deal, folks, because protein folding is crucial for drug discovery and understanding diseases. So while we're still waiting for our quantum computer to make a decent cup of coffee, at least it's out there trying to cure cancer. Priorities, people, priorities. A new study from Level Blue and SOTI reveals that a staggering 2 out of 3 healthcare organizations are still using outdated, unintegrated tech to manage their IoT and medical devices. And less than 30% are ready for AI-driven cyber attacks. So basically, your grandma's pacemaker might be running on something less secure than a free Wi-Fi hotspot in a truck stop. This isn't just about sluggish computers, it's about patient data being vulnerable and systems that can't talk to each other. It's like having a hospital where the doctors communicate via carrier pigeon. Meanwhile, the Lieber Institute for Brain Development is partnering with AWS to use AI to find treatments for brain disorders. It's a tale of 2 healthcare competing systems. One trying to save lives with cutting-edge AI, and the other still trying to get their fax machine to work. Move over, human scientists, because a new sheriff is in town, and it's got more processing power than your entire university. Microsoft has unleashed a science agent, essentially an AI that thinks it's Heisenberg. And it's already discovered a brand new material in just a few hours. Not only did it find the theoretical compound, but they were actually able to synthesize it in the lab. This is like your Roomba not only cleaning your house, but also building a new wing on it. Forget years of tedious research and failed experiments. Soon we'll just have AI saying, hey, what if we tried combining some of this and a little of that, a little bit of this? Oh, well, look, it's a new super material. We can probably make toast fly. Human ingenuity is officially on notice. Good news, America. Your state governments, known for their lightning-fast decision-making and cutting-edge technology, are finally stepping up to regulate AI in healthcare. I know. It's about as fast as a snail on tranquilizers, but with over 1,000 AI-powered medical devices already authorized by the FDA and concerns about accuracy bias and privacy, states like Montana and New York are enacting laws to ensure AI doesn't go rogue in your colonoscopy exam. These new regulations are focusing on transparency, consumer protection, and oversight for how AI is used by both payers and providers. So hopefully soon you won't have an AI deciding whether your broken arm is medically necessary based on a faulty algorithm and a bad mood. It's a start, folks. It's a very, very slow start. All right, it's time for the Daily Roast, where we take someone, something, or some idea currently in the news cycle and put it on the spit. Tonight, our guest of honor is none other than the master of Twitter, whatever it is this week, Elon Musk and his Everything app. You know, Elon's super app. Sounds like that one friend who's really into kombucha and cryptocurrency, constantly telling you how they're going to revolutionize everything with their disruptive innovations. He's pitching X as the ultimate digital Swiss Army knife, messaging, payments, dating, self-driving car commands, maybe even a button to summon you a flamethrower. He wants it to be the app you can't live without, which is ironic because half the time X feels like the app you can't live with. The notifications are a chaotic symphony, the feed is a wild west of misinformation sometimes, and the community notes are passive-aggressive battleground. It's less of a super app and more of a super headache. Honestly, I think Elon's super app is the digital equivalent of that one drawer in your kitchen that has everything. A single chopstick, a dead AAA battery, a mysterious sticky note, and a picture of your ex who forgot to throw out. It's got everything, but you're probably only looking for a bottle opener, and it's buried under a pile of broken dreams and expired coupons. So here's to Elon's super app. May it be as super as my attempts at a balanced diet, and as everything is my laundry pile. Good luck, Elon, you'll need it. And maybe a good IT guy. Well, that's the news for tonight. Thank you for sticking around. Have a great evening and have a great day. Thank you.